Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily create your page on Facebook. So for doing this, just open a Facebook page, Facebook app, and just tap here now. Just go to pages, and here you will see create. Just tap on create. Now tap on get started. Now just choose your category. So for example, art. So you can also add not one but several of them. After, just tap on next. Add page name, so for example, one. And after, just tap on done, choose next. So here you can see that you need to enter another name, so for example, one. So if you have website, you can also add it here. I don't have a website, so I will just tap here. So now you can also add the cover photo and add profile picture. So just tap on what you want to add, cover photo or profile picture, and it will open your gallery. So just choose from gallery what photo you want to add, and after just tap on done. So now just tap on next. Here you can also invite friends. So just choose create post. Now just tap on get started. So here you can see different options you can also add to your page: website, description, photo, phone number, email. And also, now we will update our pages, and here you can see our page we have created. So this is our page, so this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.